Okay, so if we want to solve the equation log of x plus log x plus 3 is equal to 1, the first step we would do is use one of our logarithm laws when adding. So when we add two logs to make a singular log, we would multiply them. So in this case, the x and the x plus 3, which will then make x squared plus 3x while keeping the equation still equal to 1. So from here, we want to turn this from a logarithm to an exponential function. So because there is no base that has been, like, we haven't been told a specific base, and when that happens, when there's no number right there, that is implied that it's base 10. So if this equation is equal to 10, or to 1, that means that we can write it as base 10 to the exponent of 1, because it's equal to 1, and the whatever it is equal to, that's going to be the exponent on the base, that is in this case 10. So if we change it from a logarithmic equation to an exponential equation, we'll get x to the power of 2 plus 3x equals 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 is equal to 10, so it's x to the power of 2 plus 3x is equal to 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring the 10 over, turning it into a quadratic equation, x to the power of 2 plus 3x minus 10, because when we brought the 10 over, the sign switched from positive to negative, and the equation is equal to 0. In this case, this quadratic equation is pretty easy to factor, and the factor form would be x minus 2 and x plus 5, but if it wasn't as easy, we would use the quadratic formula. So the two x solutions that you would get from the factored form would be x is equal to 2 and x is equal to negative 5. So there's two, so when you're given these x values, they're not always solutions. So what you have to do to clarify if it's a solution is put the value of x back into your equation to see if the equation is true if the x value is in, if you slot the x value in. So while checking, when you put the 2 in for the x, the equation is equal to 1. But when you put in the negative 5, the equation isn't equal to 1. So that means your final solution is equal x is equal to 2. That is your final solution. X is equal to 2.